Hello my friends! Summer is in full swing, which means that it's time to collect fireweed. The leaves come off easily from the stems, and I got enough in a few minutes. Time to go home before it starts raining. Oleg watches the streams of water flow down from the roof and listens to the noise of iron under the raindrops. The leaves that I have collected will have to be processed in a special way. I crumple them, violate the integrity of the sheet. This is necessary so that the juice contained inside the fibers begin to come out. Great! These crumpled leaves will be in a closed bag. This will start the fermentation process, formation of new chemical bonds. The fermentation process will take some time, which means I can go swimming in the river. The sun came out and it immediately became hot outside. The riverbank is full of cars. This place is very popular for swimming. The process of fermentation of the leaves of fireweed is in full swing. This can be understood by the fruity aroma. The smell is very pleasant. I'll probably wait until tomorrow. Now I should chop the leaves. I do it with a kitchen knife. The fermentation process must be stopped in time, I preheated the oven to 50 degrees. At this temperature, the leaves will dry completely in a couple of hours. And now, the most important thing – tasting. In addition, this tea is very useful. It has great taste, if cooked right. You can make this tea yourself by following my instructions. Thanks for watching my videos.
Bye, my friends.